Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video I want to be analyzing a currency pair, and I will just randomly choose a currency pair to analyze. I'm doing this because someone asked me if my strategy works with currency pairs too, or if it's just for volatility indices on the river and boom and crash. All right, so it works for all pairs, understand? So I'll go to my quotes. I have to flip this phone to keep it in the portrait mode. So I'll go to my quotes and add a currency pair. Oh, sorry, I have to click on this plus sign. Then I go to where do we get forex major. Forex major. Let me choose Euro USD. Euro USD is okay. Then let's go and where is the Euro USD? Okay, it's added, and let's go to the chart and see what we have there. All right. Okay, let's wait for it to load. All right, so this is 15 minutes time frame. I'll quickly go to a higher time frame. All right, I can see something here on the daily on this 15 minutes time frame, but I want to go to the higher time frame to see what the market has been doing. All right, so let's check the weekly time frame first. Powerful guys, smart. All right, so you can see on the weekly time frame there was a breakout here. The market was respecting a trend like this, and then there's a breakout, and then before the breakout the market rejected that trend where we had that trend line. That's a support. It rejected the support and tried to buy a little, close with the bullish candlestick, then later sold. So we ended up having a kind of a drop based drop setup right here. This is a drop based drop setup, making this zone here a strong resistance zone, making this zone a strong support turn resistance zone. All right, so as you can see, the current week's candlestick has gotten to that zone and it's reacting. You see, there is trying to reject that zone. All right, so we have to go down to a much lower time frame to look for opportunities for this particular pair. All right, let's see what we can get. Now, before then, you can see that before the market even bought to that zone, you can see the activities. Those the same things we've been talking about in currency pairs and boom and crash and volatility pairs. Market was selling impulsively. Then it started creating this impulsive correction. You can see. Then it bought, created a strong zone here, finally broke and closed above here. This is a weekly time frame anyways. Let's just leave it and go down to a lower time frame where someone can easily get an entry. All right, so we go down to the daily time frame to see what we have. All right, see on the daily time frame, we had a strong zone right here, which the market nicely broke. See this strong zone right here, guys. There's a strong zone right here. The market respected this strong zone for a while. What's wrong? The market is misbehaving. MT5 is misbehaving. MT5 is misbehaving. One moment. All right, so let's just adjust this and place it somewhere here. This is the daily time frame. You can see. All right, so you can see this zone is a very clear zone, and the market has been reacting along this zone. You can see the buys. Market tried to sell, came back. You know, see a buy attempt here. Then market sold again from here. Finally, it bought again to this same zone, then sold. Bought again to this same zone. You can see the selling activities here. Finally, the market has broken above this zone. You can see it broke out of this zone. This was 2 days ago, based on this candlestick we see here, and closed above it, indicating the market is ready to buy. And yesterday it was bullish all through. Then today the market is okay. The market got to that zone yesterday. All right, now today's candlestick has been struggling. I think it's about 12 hours now, yet the market has not been able to really go far. You know, it bought a little to this level, then it sold. It's now showing a bearish candlestick. All right, meaning the market can start selling from there. That's what it indicates. And now, also looking at this daily time frame, we will also see that there is this particular stuff in smart money. They call it a fair value gap, which is right here. And I think the market is somehow trying to react to that. You can see that the market actually kissed this fair value gap. The candlestick just kissed the fair value gap and then started selling. You see, it kissed the fair value gap, then started selling. So we might experience some kinds of consolidations around here on a lower time frame that will indicate the market to be selling later on. All right, So that's what we have on the daily time frame. All right, so you can see as the market is rejecting, we have to go down to a lower time frame, the 4 hourly time frame, to see what the market has for us. Although from what we can see here, the market was just bullish. So we'll go to a lower time frame, look out for some consolidations, then wait for a breakout, because the market will be selling nicely to fill up this gap it created. All right, so we go down to the 4 hourly time frame. Let's quickly go down to the 4 hourly time frame. Go to the 4 hourly time frame. All right, powerful. So you can see what we have on the 4 hourly time frame, guys. You can see what we have on the 4 hourly time frame. So the market now is still sorry, the current 4 hourly candlestick is bearish, and about in the next 29 minutes it should be closing bearish too. All right, so based on this, we still have there's a kind of confidence that the market is actually going to sell, because from here we can see the rejections. The last 3 candlesticks have been rejecting that zone. You can see the first one here rejected this zone. The second one bought to the zone and got rejected. Then this one bought to the zone, didn't even get to the zone and started rejecting. Now it is a bearish and might close bearish. All right, so we can still go down to a much lower time frame. Now, based on my sniper entry strategy, anybody who understands would have entered a trade somewhere here with a stop loss just above where we have this wick here, somewhere here, in case the market doesn't respect it. All right, but in most cases this works. All right, and you'll be selling nicely, be taking the trade at sniper entry. But meanwhile, let's go down to the 1 hourly time frame and still see what the market has, because the lower time frame can show us some structures that will indicate the market we want to buy first before selling. All right, so on the 4 hourly time frame, on the 1 hourly time frame, we see the market actually created a double top. This is nice, guys. This is nice. This is the first top and this is the second top. Still an indication or a confirmation that the market is going to sell. So at this point, we can see there's a level the market has been rejecting previously, which is this level. You can see the wicks market has been rejecting. So market is somehow finding it difficult to sell below this level. So at this point, you can decide to draw a horizontal line, but this level will be more clearer if you go to the 15 minutes time frame. Let's go to the 15 minutes time frame, so you can mark that level clearly. If you mark it on the daily, on the 1 hourly time frame, you need to use a line, but here you can use a rectangle because you see it more clearly now. All right, powerful. All right, so from what we can see now, if the market can sell below this zone, if the market can finally sell below this zone, there's a very high chance that the market is going to sell nicely. All right, there's a very high chance the market is going to sell nicely. It is very simple, guys. It is very simple. All right, it is very simple. All you need to do is just follow this simple approach. You want to see the reactions of the market on zones. You want to see if it is able to break above a zone or not. All these weeks here, they matter a lot. To make sure you confirm the market is ready to buy or not before you start buying. Make sure you confirm the market is ready to sell before you start selling. And your entry is very important. You have to be careful with your entry. Like I said the other day, when I say you have to be careful, you must not be over careful. When you are too careful, you'll be over analyzing the chart. Too much of analyzing a chart will lead to missing of opportunities. You're missing opportunities because at some point you'll be analyzing to, in a way that makes you feel okay, you are correct. At some point when you continue analyzing, you'll find out other stuff that will make you feel it's not ready, the market is not ready to do this. It is wrong. If you go, you lose, and that's how you'll be looking at the chart till the market plays out the way you initially predicted, and you will lose money. And unfortunately, the ones that don't even go well, the ones you would even want to take the trades, and you lose, you call forex a scam. You see, it's a matter of the mind, guys. So when you are analyzing, don't over analyze. Just focus on the major things you want to see. Like now we have a double top here, and the market is already on the neckline. This is a double top here. The market is already on at the neckline. So what do you expect? We want to see a close below this zone, and for that reason, I want to see that close below on the 1 hourly time frame. If the market can close below this zone on the 1 hourly time frame, let's see, then I'll have to extend this zone a bit, something like this. Then if I see a close below here on the 1 hourly time frame, it's a nice opportunity to enter a trade. You understand? Enter a very nice sell trade with a stop loss somewhere above here, and the market will be selling nicely. All right, because all these gaps right here have to be filled. If you bring out the trend line, you see the market created a very strong bullish move, and then it has to sell because of this move it did. The market has to sell. All right. So to fill these gaps, at least there should be some sell activities from where the market this zone up to this level here. All right. So you have to take always consider these things. They are very simple. All right. So to enroll in my one-on-one mentorship, the link to my Telegram channel is in the description of this video. There you'll find my direct contact. And also, the March batch of mentorship is the registration is currently ongoing. Where I will teach you sniper entry strategy that will help you be successful in trading. All right, it will help you reduce some floating losses, and you'll be able to trade so many different kinds of pairs. All right, the only pair I have not actually tested with this strategy is currency pair. Sorry, cryptocurrencies. I've not tried. I've tested it on cryptocurrencies, but for currency pairs, volatility indices, boom and crash, they work powerfully well, guys. All right, so you don't want to miss out on these opportunities. It's a golden opportunity. So click the link in the description of this video, get to my Telegram channel. You'll find more information about the mentorship, which is coming up. The classes will begin on Monday. The classes will begin on Monday. So you have between now and Sunday. You have till Sunday to register so they can be a part of it. All right. You're going to learn what you've never heard before. I'm going to show you that things on the chat that I will reveal to you. All right. So stay blessed and ensure you like this video. Share your thoughts in the comment section. Subscribe to this channel. I know some of you have not subscribed. You just keep watching, getting values without subscribing. You know, the subscription is an appreciation, guys. You know, subscribe to this channel. I want to see us grow in numbers. And also share your thoughts in the comment section. Invite your friends to like and also watch this video so you can learn too. All right, guys. Stay blessed. See you guys in my next video. Peace out.